This is about chemistry. Real lived-in locker room chemistry, folks. With Bridges in the mix, the Knicks now boast arguably the best perimeter defense in the league. And we have a group of wings who all share the ball, sacrifice shots, and hunt wins more than numbers. Watch how this plays out in the playoffs. Most teams acquire a player like Mikal to push them over the top. Not the Knicks. The Knicks, they added him to anchor their identity. Not just for now, but for the future. So don't lose sight of that. Keep that in mind. We were going into this playoffs. It's not just about this year. It's not saying we want to fall short, but just understand it's not championship.